Well, I think that every business at the beginning has a lot of challenges, and especially in Croatia, because here to try to build a business is really tough. I think maybe even harder than in some other European or global countries. For me, at the beginning, the biggest challenges was maybe I didn't have enough of the working capital or any money, and it's really hard when you're trying to build a manufacturing company. So something that the company in which you are really creating real life products for everyday usage, because you need to invest in people in development, you need to invest in people in production, you need to buy a lot of equipment. So this was one of the biggest challenges for our company at the beginning, because actually I was still in high school when I started with the company, and only money I had was the money for like buying something for breakfast in school or things like that. So it was really hard a bit at the beginning, but we did find a model how to approach this problem and found a solution for it.
Finding a mentor and education could be tough, especially in today's world of information flowing everywhere. Our program will give you exactly what you need: mentorship, experience, and knowledge to start changing the world. You will be able to validate your idea, iterate, communicate with others, and even find a deeper problem to solve. We are looking for energy innovations. Even if you don't have a revolutionary idea that might change the world, the aim of this program is to advance your knowledge in the development of sustainable energy solutions. A solution that someday might become a business that is changing the world and changing the life of everyone surrounded by the impact of what was sometimes just an idea.